Kettlebell bottoms up, clean, squat, and press. Hike pass and clean the bell up. Before the bell lands, the core should be tight, hips fully extended, legs firm, and feet grounded. With control, lower the hips back and down into a squat, keeping core tension throughout. Drive up to standing and pause motionless before pressing the bell overhead. Slowly pull the weight down. Adjust your stance slightly as needed, taking one small step after each clean, squat, and press. Crush grip the bell handle and brace the abs to hold the bell's position. Create full body tension and move in a slow, controlled fashion. One last note, practice on grass or thick rubber flooring. If you feel the bell start to fall out of position, you can either support it with the opposite hand to prevent the fall, or if the bell is overhead, you can spear the hand through the handle to save it. Practice safely.